This is the finished product of pasta which I made. All the meatballs, and I gave to my son. So he finished eating the lunch, and I'm gonna save it for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I'll use it, but I'll put it in the freezer. If I want to use it, I will fry the chicken meatballs and add into this. Okay, thanks for watching. What is your favorite pasta or noodles or whatever? Let me know. I'm showing you how to cook meatballs, chicken meatballs with the pasta. So this is the box I got. Gluten-free, pork-free, no antibiotics. Chicken raised with no antibiotics. So it has Parmesan cheese, basil, and chicken meatballs. So what I'm going to do, I'll show you. And this is the pasta sauce, ragu, traditional sauce, old world style. I have to make sure it does not get bad. Yeah, I usually keep it closed. I will show you how to cook. Finish cooking pasta. See, this pasta is ready. I'm gonna add, little olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, little bit. I'm gonna add garlic. This is chicken meatballs. You have to fry them in oil, or you can even bake it. Only for my son. He won't eat a lot. If I cook more, I'll be eating. So 3/4, maybe 5 is good enough. I'm going to add a lid and let it get cooked. Hi guys, I just fried the chicken balls. Hi guys, I just opened this pasta sauce after cooking chicken meatballs.